Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to an unforgettable fashion show, making their grand debut on our runway. A designer and a model all in one. Give a big round of applause for Sam the Pug! And because Sam has fabulous outfits for the ladies, too, he'll be getting a little help with the female looks from his muse, Philadelphia. Every outfit you see today shows our designer's fun personality. Brave, unique, and full of surprises. Are you ready? Here we go. Let the show begin. The first look is perfect for those who know how to relax in style. Great for a holiday or a walk by the sea. Shorts, shirt, sunglasses, slides. Who said you can't look cute and fancy just to go shopping? Dress, hot, bag. Even fancy business outfits can be super comfy. Boots, suit, tie. The perfect look for chats and big, brave choices. Trousers, blouse, boots. A real treasure, a swimsuit for dogs. The ocean calls and the waves are singing. Swimsuit, hot, slides. Outfit for those who hate changing clothes all the time. Jeans, t-shirt, trainers, socks. Perfect for city walks or meeting friends. Skirt, top, trainers, socks. In this outfit, you're sure to have the sweetest dreams. Sleepwear, slippers. Turn bedtime into a little dream adventure. Pajamas, slippers. A sad rainy day turns into a little fairy tale thanks to bright colors. Jacket, trousers, boots, gloves, umbrella. Turn a rainy walk into a fun and magical adventure. Coat, jeans, boots, gloves. A stylish winter outfit that will definitely protect you from even the strongest frost. Snowsuit, boots, mittens, hat, scarf. And now, let's welcome the final outfit from our designer, Sam. Made for real cool boys. Hoodie, shorts, cap, slides. Thank you to each and every one of you who shared this celebration of color and style with us. Until the next shows and bright new ideas.
See you in the next episode. Let's learn together.